All right, so for this back, we're going to be backing up from the street, not the busiest street in the world, but we're still going to have to watch out for cars. Now, my axles are all the way to the back. We got to make sure I miss this truck and this pole. Now, when I'm setting up, I'm going to be when I'm done finished my setup, I'm going to be my truck is going to be on the street, and we're going to be angled side to side, and then finished off with our steer tires mostly pointing straight. And we're going to start jackknifing immediately and getting yourself pointing in towards the space. Obviously, this is the space we're going to go into. So staying nice and close. Now, of course, I'm going to take a look over here in a second, just to make sure that the front of the trailer is clearing this truck. Always pay attention to the swing. Okay, no vehicles coming. Hard left, because I want to get myself when I'm finished with my setup, I'm already jackknifed. And then I usually have my steers pointing mostly straight, and then I will reverse and then see where I go from there. So I was jackknifing too quickly there. So chasing it. Now I'm going to start maintaining the angle a little bit to where I'm not chasing as much. Now what's very important here is that when you are in a straight back where you can see both sides of the trailer, analyze what's going on. Okay, as you can see, there's the blue pole. If I keep maintaining my straight back right now, I'll hit the pole. But it is a good 20 feet away. Well, 20 feet, 30 feet, maybe around 30 feet away. And so then my first goal then is to move the front of the trailer over here to the right, and that will start bringing the back of the trailer to the left. All right, let's now keep that angle just for a little bit. Now, of course, I'm looking in this mirror here and I'm seeing my parallelness. I'm not quite parallel yet, so I'm going to start chasing it just to see where that blue pole is because I'm not all the way back yet. All right, as you can see, I'm like 5 to 10 feet away, and I'm clearing the yellow pole, and I just have to do a little adjustment until I'm nearly back. Now I'm used to these docks, so I pretty much know where the dock is. Like I look at this line over here and I match it towards something on the truck that I'm used to. But again, I'm not always going to be able to do that for every single dock. And nice and slowly. And set the brakes. And that is that back. All right, if you've liked this, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And if you'd like to donate to my webpage, by all means, click on the website and there'll be a donation link. Anywho, thank you very much for watching, and that'll be all for this particular video. Goodbye.